Thursday, June 13, 2024. Saint Anthony of Padua. Focus. First be reconciled to your brother, and then come and offer your gift. Open a newspaper or watch the news to see what terrible things unbridled anger can do. Acts of violence, hatred, and revenge all stem from unchecked resentment. Hurt managed badly can breach our spiritual defenses and open the gates to previous sin. Fully aware of the damage that murderous rage can do, Jesus exhorts us to choose the path of reconciliation over revenge. Jesus' teachings on anger, forgiveness, and reconciliation are perhaps the hardest to accept. How do we exercise mercy when the heart seeks justice? How do we come to terms with the feelings of hurt buried within us? While the world gives numerous solutions to the issues of anger, the Lord seeks our surrender. Giving up our desire for revenge is an uphill task. It involves making a daily decision to pray, to forgive, to intercede, and so on. The good news is that through it all, the Lord will take up our cause and bring us healing. His merciful heart is revealed in the first reading when, in response to Elijah's fervent prayer, he sends rain for a people who were guilty of great sin against him. Saint Anthony was an apostle of the sacrament of reconciliation. Hearing him preach, many people were inspired to repent and make the confession. Fruit. When afflicted by anger, I will make a good confession, then attempt a reconciliation.